This is a small public announcement to my black people, black natives, African Americans, whatever you choose to call yourself. It's going to take work ethics, family. Yes, we went through slavery. Yes, we still being oppressed. Yes, the system isn't fair. Yes, the things are getting harder and harder, but we're going to have to get our hands dirty. You can't just sit back and think something going to fall into your lap. We're not waiting once a year for Santa Claus to come and put some gifts under the tree. We're going to have to go out there and put our own gifts under our own tree. We're going to have to figure out ways to fix our own finances. We're going to have to figure out ways to start our own businesses. But we're going to have to network with one another. We're going to have to network. There's nothing for free, family. You know that. And if you're thinking about getting something for free, don't think of business. It takes money to make money. We put our money together. We put our resources together. We can do more, but we're going to have to get our hands dirty. You're going to have to do something on your own. You're going to have to grind without nobody's looking. Some people just want to only grind when the camera is on. Nah, you're going to have to grind when the lights are off, when ain't nobody watching you. If you want to be able to make everybody watch you, you're going to have to grind when nobody's paying attention. Like, in order for us to make it, family, we got to stick together. We got to put our resources together. We got to make investments. There's no other way around it. Like, a lot of our people, I can tell that they want to be with the movement. Oh man, it's easy to do this. It's easy to say Black Power. It's easy to say all Black Lives Matter. But what about really getting your hands dirty? What about traveling and you ain't getting paid for it to speak a message or to help someone else get up? Like, it's not all about the money. Now, it does take money to live in this United States of America. We know this. This is facts. But it's not all about the money, family. It's about us building a team, resources, knowledge, skills, coming together, building our own. That's what it's about. I'm just getting my hog on singly, by myself. And I touch others, and they get their hog on. We network. Some I network with, some I don't. But it's all good because I have my own personal agenda. And that's to live to be remembered and affect as many lives as I can while I'm here. I want to help people think better, think outside the box. And I want to be organic by who I am. And I'm not trying to water nobody down. But for one thing I do want to say before I let you go, my black people, we got to stick together. We got to get our hands dirty. We got to grind when nobody is looking. You might have to do it by yourself first. It's okay. Your vision, everybody else ain't going to feel what you're doing. Just like I call it the Noah and the Ark concept. People gonna think you crazy starting out. They gonna talk about you. They know who you used to be, just like they know who he was. Man, what is so-and-so talking about? Man, I remember him. But you're a new person. You changed. You've been awakened. So don't worry about what they remember who you used to be. You know, where I'm from, my hometown. They like, oh yeah, I know Lil Joe. Oh yeah, he was. They don't know who I am. They know who I was. That's a big difference. Completely different. I was completely blinded. I wasn't even awoke at all. But my purpose was still on my life. You see what I'm saying? So all I want to say is, if we're going to get somewhere, if we're really going to get our hog on, if we're really going to gain some generational wealth, if we really going to set ourselves up for reparations in America, we're going to have to stick together. We're going to have to bring our resources together. We're going to have to spend money with one another. We're going to have to network with one another. And yes, all of us, some of us are hard to deal with than others. It is what it is. Everybody got a different past. Everybody got a different struggle. But I love you anyway. And I'm willing to put up with you if you're willing to put up with me. It's okay. It is what it is. But we have to be able to grow and learn. Grow and learn. So I'm not trying to stand still. I'm not trying to be stagnated because I know that if we stand still, we're not going to make any progress at all. So I'm doing what I can. I'm leading by example. I'm getting my hog on. I'm trying my best to help others. I want to live to be remembered by not only affecting my life and my children and leaving them something, but I want to be able to affect someone else's life that's not connected to me, that's connected to me now because I motivated them to start something, to do something better with themselves. That's what it's about. But at the end of the day, I couldn't do none of this. Everything that I'm doing right now is because I woke up and said, I'm going to do it. I don't care if don't nobody else do it. I'm going to walk along. Remember that old song? I'm going to go if I have to go by myself. Hog on. Y'all be blessed.